Alright, so I believe this might be one of the most underrated pairs of original colorways of Air Jordan sneakers that is currently available in today's market right now. Before you disagree, just listen to the video and see if you guys agree at the end of it. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we have here. Compliments of Hibbett City Gear. We have a pair that is sitting on their website still, as well as other retailers, and this is the Air Jordan 7 in the Cardinal colorway. Some words about our sponsor, Hibbett City Gear, though. If you've never shopped at Hibbett City Gear, check the link in the description. It'll take you over to their website. They have a really nice online shopping experience as well as a brick and mortar. Lots and lots of stores across the US. But my favorite part is the release calendar because it showcases a bunch of different upcoming items that we are expecting to see in the near future. If you guys are interested in buying the Cardinal 7s or shopping other items that they have available on their website, check the link in the description. It will take you over to Hibbett City Gear's site. And you can also download the app as well, which features all of the same things as the web experience. Now, the re-release of these happened quite a while ago, honestly, and they're still sitting in full-size runs at a lot of different locations. And that lets me believe that this shoe is currently underappreciated for what we have. And this is one of 5 original colorways of the Air Jordan 7 that released originally in 1992. The retail price on these back then were $125. This model specifically is an iconic Air Jordan model for a number of reasons. The first one is the fact that this one has no Nike branding on it. This is the first model to not feature the Nike branding. Also, after the Air Jordan 3, 4, 5, and 6, which Tinker Hatfield also designed, as well as the 7s, they decided to not design these with a visible air unit. I think that definitely helped solidify the fact that this is an Air Jordan sneaker instead of a Nike branded sneaker. It didn't shy away from the Nike technology, however, because you do have the Huarache sock-like liner, which gave it a nice snug fit. And for the year 1992, the Huarache liner was actually pretty cool. Now for the Air Jordan 7s, we have the Bordeaux colorway, which is probably one of my favorites out of the group. We have the Bugs Bunny Hair 7s, which is another one that everybody loves. There's also the Playoff colorway or the Raptor colorway. That one is also something that people like. So the Cardinal might not necessarily be my favorite out of all of the original Air Jordan 7 models, but this is one of the 5, and it's definitely something that I think should be more appreciated. Michael Jordan won his 2nd ring in the Air Jordan 7. He also took home the MVP award as well as the scoring title. Oh, and by the way, he also won a gold medal in the Air Jordan 7 with the Olympic 7s. So the 7s have a lot of history, a lot of nostalgia behind the model. In 2023, though, I don't think it's translated as well as, say, like an Air Jordan 1, 3, 4, or 5. However, I definitely feel like it's one of those sleeper models that definitely deserves some shine. Now, this is the 3rd retro of this exact colorway, so maybe that has something to do with it. It came out in 2006 and 2011 as well. So the reason why this is called the Air Jordan 7 Cardinal is because of the red color that is used to create these shoes. And let's just check the box and make sure. It is still white, black, and cardinal red. I got a size 9.5 is what I prefer in my Air Jordan 7s. If you guys have a difference in opinion on if it's true size or not, I'll leave a comment. But I'm a true 9.5 and I like these in a 9.5. The overall upper of the shoe is kind of nice. You have a mixture of smooth leather and tumbled leather through the upper. And that zigzag appearance across the upper as well as on the outsole of the shoe is actually African tribal inspired. Supposedly, Tinker Hatfield found a poster that was in a shop and it had African tribal artwork from the print. The owner of the shop didn't want to sell him the poster, but then Tinker said that he was going to be using it for inspiration for creating an Air Jordan sneaker for Michael Jordan, and the guy sold him the poster for $15. That's supposedly what happened, but you can definitely see the African tribal inspiration on the outsole of the shoe. I really like what he did here with the tribal look and then the little circles all over the bottom of the shoe. It's just one that I definitely remember, and you look at the bottom, you go, okay, that's the Air Jordan 7 instantly, just because it is so different from like the 4, 5, 6. On the back, it does have a little bit of more of that print, and then you have the 23 over top of that, and it says Air Jordan on the tongue with the Jumpman on the side of the shoe. You have kind of a gold pull tab on the back, and that color is also found on the outsole of the shoe. White laces and a white tongue, kind of that neoprene Huarache feel right here, and then you have that nice cardinal red on the liner of the tongue. So the cardinal red, again, being what this is themed after, however, very minimal details on the shoe actually feature the cardinal red. Majority of it is pretty much white. Mostly black midsole with mountain peaks of white and cardinal red, and then the outsole again with that crazy look. You do have Nike Air branding on the insole of the shoe for those wondering, but it is not featured on the outside of the shoe, as well as no swooshes on the outside of the shoe. Again, something that differentiated this model from the previous. And I don't know if the removal of that branding is hurting the market 30 years later, but for some reason people are not picking up these sneakers right here. And I'll tell you, the quality in hand is pretty nice. Like, it feels nice. The materials are pretty decent. I feel like the elevated price point of like $210 or whatever it is a little bit much. I really wish Jordan Brand would knock their retros down to like $180, $190. That would be ideal. Or give us that one-time special retro pricing of $125. That's what you guys could do. Do that for once for the original colorways. I think people would love that. But leave a comment in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Cardinal Red Air Jordan 7s? Is it a pickup for you? Did you already buy them? Have you not bought them because of X, Y, or Z reasons? Or leave a comment in the comment section. Why is this one that you guys have been dodging? And then leave a comment in the comment section. What is the most underrated pair of Air Jordans on the market? And I'm speaking of the original colorways. Is this the most underrated, or is there another one that comes to mind? This one's definitely the forefront for me because they're still readily available and nobody's really talking about them. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate y'all for stopping in and watching. Once again, if you guys want to check out Hibbett City Gear, link in the description. Or check out their website. You can see these as well as many other new releases, release calendar, and all the other stuff. So appreciate Wendy and everybody over at Hibbett. You guys are awesome. Much, much appreciated. And thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we'll see you back for some more sneaker videos. Make sure you smack the like button. And if you guys can hit that subscribe button, that'd be awesome as well. My kids really want to see a gold play button some year, and maybe I'll get one on this channel before they become adults. Who knows? Anyway, which way, have a good one. Hopefully we'll see you back for more videos. All right, peace, guys.